Welcome back, guys. It's been a minute since I posted a video on EUR USD. Personally, I think it's like a really slow moving pair, so I don't really use it a lot. I like volatile pairs like GBP AUD and GBP USD and gold. We're not talking about gold right now. Gold is looking really messy, so we're gonna stay away from that for a while. But lately, EUR USD has been looking good for me. And let me just come out on the daily time frame. So first thing I want to point out is that on a daily time frame, let me get rid of this Fibonacci retracement. On a daily time frame, we have a heads and shoulder pattern, right? Not a heads and shoulder, a double top pattern, which kind of looks like an M, or you can call it like an M top. And this is similar to a heads and shoulder pattern, but this is a scarlet double top, and it basically means a reversal. Anyways, it's another reversal pattern. So a double top is basically when price goes up, comes down, go up, and come back down, and they kind of create, a similar meeting point at at a resistance area. So when price does something like this, its next move was to retest the neckline, and the neckline is this bottom area right here, right? And when it retests the neckline, it normally follows a continuation, which is like a break, retest, continuation, which is kind of what I'm looking for right here. A break, it broke the neckline right here. It came and broke it, and then it's retesting it, right? And now I'm looking for a continuation all the way down to somewhere like, let's say, like right here or right here, where this consolidation zone. I drew this up like a few weeks ago, but I like to keep it here, for future references. But so by what I just told you, you guys should be looking for sells on EUR USD. When we draw the Fibonacci retracement, let's put that back here from the highest wick to the lowest wick. And if you want a video on my Fibonacci settings, I did post a video on that. I'll add the link in the description so you can watch it. But essentially, these areas right here are called the retracement zones, where price looks to retrace, basically. The most popular ones are the 38.2 and the 61.8. However, lately I've been seeing price, doing the 50% level. I think that's popular right now. So it's very straightforward, very simple. You're going for a sell, put your take profit at the negative 27 extension or the negative 61 extension. Let me put my forecast tool out for a short position. You can do a market entry, and since this is almost like a sniper entry, we can have a very small stop loss, and we can put our take profit at the negative 27. All right. I'm feeling comfortable with this stop loss right here, and we're gonna keep our take profit at the negative 27 extension. These are normally where you want to take your take profits. Usually I don't go beyond the negative 27 because it's already giving me a lot of pips, so I'm just cool with the profit I make right here. So that's the trade I'm looking for. My stop loss is 1.161, and my take profit is 1.1281. That's a 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio, meaning that you'll be making 6 times the money you risked, right? So you risk $1,000, you're gonna make a $6,000 profit if price reaches to this area right here. That's pretty much wraps up my analysis. It's a pretty simple, straightforward analysis. Let me do a recap on my confluences. So the first one is on the daily time frame. Price made a double top reversal pattern, and it retested the neckline. So that's confluence number one. Confluence number two is that it's retracing on a retracement level perfectly on the 50% right here, right? And confluence number three is that it's also a break and retest of this EMA. If you want me to do a video on my EMA settings, just leave a comment down below. But there's a break and that blue line right here is my EMA. So that's a break and retest. That's also a confluence because EMA is almost like a moving support and resistance, right? So I normally like having three confluences before I enter a trade, so I'm confident in it. So when price retraces and I'm second guessing myself, I just look at my confluences and hold the trade. And even if it loses, it's a fair loss. Like I did everything in my power to follow my rules, and if it loses, it loses. That's also part of trading. Um, so let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated on EUR USD. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you posted.